If you need a PDF toolkit that's completely free, don't need to download anything, and it's unlimited to use, well, there's BentoPDF that you can start using right now. You can actually jump right now to the website without even to have to sign up, and you can start using it right now. Go ahead, for example, and use the compressed PDF, and you'll be able to upload your PDF and compress it straight from here. Go through the settings and compress it. All of this will be free to use and unlimited to use. Now, a little drawback here is that the files that you upload, the PDFs, will be hosted on BentoPDF, and they are powered by DigitalOcean. So be aware that there's some privacy concern issues there. But if you want to install an open source system of BentoPDF on your own VPS to keep everything private, that is possible using Hostinger. Now let me go ahead and show you a Hostinger plan that you can grab right now to install BentoPDF. So go ahead and jump over to the link in the description, grab a VPS plan. I would recommend the KVM 2, which is $8.99 a month with fantastic limits for this purpose. Plus you'll be able to install multiple applications inside of this VPS. Now the first thing that Hostinger is going to ask you is, how many months do you want to pay in advance? I recommend the 24 months because you're going to lock in the lowest price and the lowest renewal price. Plus, you'll be good to go for 2 years. Now, that's not the final price because if you click on have a coupon code and type in or paste in my code, the price is going to drop to $194 with 18 cents for the 2 years paid off. So that's a fantastic deal. Now, what's the deal with this? Well, once you install the VPS on Hostinger, you'll be able to install Docker inside of it. So go to manage, you'll have Docker available. Go to projects and you'll be able to install BentoPDF straight from here. Just go ahead and jump into Compose, one-click deploy, no terminal access needed. Just go ahead and search for Bento, select it, and go ahead and deploy. Once you do that, you'll have a private version of BentoPDF. So all the available features in BentoPDF on the website that's free over here, but not private, you'll have that over here on your server. So if you go to licensing, you'll see that it's open source. These files will be uploaded to your server and not BentoPDF. So all the available tools will be available here to start using for free, unlimited, open source, and private if it's on your VPS. So it's highly recommended that if you want to use BentoPDF, you have the free version. Just go ahead and jump over there for something really simple. But if you have privacy concerns, go ahead and use the VPS and install it in a Docker inside of Hostinger with the one-click install. So if you're looking for that super easy install, go ahead and check out the link in the description to grab a VPS right now and install BentoPDF. I hope you liked this video. Please let me know here in the comments what you think about BentoPDF and if you think that they should implement more tools or an offline version for Windows and Mac. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.